very nice triangle. We had the break, the retest, and look at this beautiful candle forming. So we'll see by tonight. If this closes like in this area here, this is a very good short-term opportunity. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Friday, 26 July 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the yen, the Swiss and the US, and short on the CAD, the Aussie and the New Zealand. Now let's start off with the dollar index, finding resistance still at the moving average. But look at this last 2 days long lower shadows, showing that the market is rejecting the lows. So this looks more bullish than bearish, although we're on the underside of this moving average. Dollar on the intraday pushing really hard, and that gives me a more bullish feeling that we might see it pushing up to this level here, or then maybe the moving average up there. But at this stage, very difficult to clearly read this and say I've got a clear-cut direction. That's why I like my indicator. That tells me I need to be on my day trading, I need to be long on the dollar. You look at gold, well, obviously on a stronger dollar we'll pay the price, finding a little bit support just above 23.50. And no reversals for me yet that I can do. So for now I'm stepping aside on gold. I don't see that much. We could get a deep retracement maybe, but at this stage I don't see much. On a stronger dollar, gold should keep coming down. It might have a few bounces on the way down, but at this stage I'm not very positive towards gold on the short term. Long term I'm still very much bullish. In Bitcoin, well, what a nice candle yesterday. I was worried about this candle yesterday morning when I made the video. I saw that it breaking right through the $66,000 levels. I mentioned this level and I say if we can get a nice candle, a nice hammer candle or something showing us support here, that would be great. But I would have liked a close back above 66,000. This was 65,000. But now confirming very well. So tomorrow morning, Saturday, this could give us a very nice solid entry signal and say, right, you know what, I found support, I want to go up the page. If you look at the rest of the crypto space, remember the closed door meeting with XRP or Ripple and SEC, I can't see any results from yesterday, but we're still looking at this big pattern, and I would like to see a breakout on XRP. If I get a breakout on XRP, yeah, then definitely, I guess when they are finished with their meeting and there's a positive outcome, then obviously we'll see the break. Next stop would be 74 cents, and we've got a 92 cents, I think. Yes, 93 cents there. So those are the two levels that you can use for targets for the short term. It could go beyond $1, guys. Anything is possible. That's now for short-term traders. I hold on to mine for a very, very long time. So not much I will do target setting here. I might lighten up a little bit if it spikes right through, but it's not something I trade as a rule. Solana is now broken out. This is a very nice triangle. We had the break, the retest, and look at this beautiful candle forming. So we'll see by tonight. If this closes like in this area here, this is a very good short-term opportunity to get into Solana. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Indices. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. And Ethereum, with the sell-off after the ETF launch now, that's what happened with Bitcoin also when they launched the ETF there. It sold off heavily for 2 days, but I would like to see confirmation from the bulls that they're going to start to run it. It could still sell down to this support level, yeah, if it wants to. But the breakout there, that would confirm for me, all right, the sell-off on the launch of the ETF is fine. People are now piling into this, and then I will start to add back into Ethereum. So nice setups coming up for us on the crypto space. We must just be patient and wait for good solid setups before we enter these trades. Then moving on to the currencies and indices, there's not much this morning to do actually for me for a Friday. I've got only two things I'm going to watch here for the rest of the day. It's the S&P 500. So the retracement back to the 50-61% level there, structure there, that's the area I'm going to look for some shorts on candle reversals. And the only currency pair that I can actually get some sense from at this stage is the Euro New Zealand, which is the least likely one to trade due to larger spreads. But a nice run up the page, big trend going up, and the retest of the structure here between 50 and 61%. That's the area I'm going to look for longs. So not much, a little bit of a slow Friday, I guess, but definitely something this weekend to watch is the cryptocurrencies, and hopefully we can get some results on the XRP or the Ripple SEC meeting. I haven't seen any results, so let's hope we can get some results today. We can get some sparks there. Let's hope for the best. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.